vaccines require an enormous amount of research. I will say, just to bring up the COVID vaccine, I went to medical school with the gentleman who developed the Moderna vaccine. And he developed it in one day, but it was based on a decade of research. He studied the mRNA vaccines for a long, long time before he developed the Moderna vaccine. So it's not something that was done without research. And at this point in time, we're looking at in the United States, probably the best safety program for vaccines anywhere in the world. Our vaccines it's hard to bring them to market. It can take decades to get the concept of a vaccine into availability to the public. And the reason that it takes so long is because they are so careful about safety. With this newest vaccine, a lot of that research took place prior to the development of the vaccine. And then when you go from the development of the vaccine into giving it to people, there are stages that you need to go through in order to make sure that it's safe and effective. And in order to do that in the United States, with the COVID vaccine, they overlapped those stages to compress the time. So it came to the public very, very quickly, and that's something that worries many, many people. But because they overlapped those stages of research, it had the same caution and the same safety protocols as you have seen with other vaccines that have come along through the years. So I think that our new technology has made it possible for us to develop vaccines and get them to the public in a much more timely fashion than has happened in the past. So this is a new age, and I think that we have the possibilities of being a healthier community if people are willing to take part in that.